Hello everyone. Hey, what's up on YouTube? It's Zeddy. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a smart cleaning device for the home. That is EVERYBOT Three-Spin Cleaning Bot. So here is my review of the newest mat mop robot, which has a unique no-wheel structure. The bot performs both simple autonomous cleaning and extremely silent mopping at the same time, using 3 round-shaped mop pads with dynamic spinning technology. Patented by EVERYBOT INC, Korea. The heavy-duty 3-padded cleaning bot offers a new way to clean your floors and make your life much easier than before. With a surprisingly 43 dB low noise level, it feels like quiet whispering. The EVERYBOT Three-Spin Cleaning Bot is so quiet for warm gear design and built with low-speed RPM motors that even your pet dog won't notice it when it's fully functional and operating at its peak. Whether you're drinking coffee or reading a book to your kids, or even in the middle of the night when everyone is asleep, this robot mop will quietly clean the floor on its own without disturbing you. In this package, you will get a quick guide instruction manual book, a remote control, the charging adapter, the charging cradle, and the main body, the mopping robot. It is very similar to the Samsung JetBot and its predecessor, EVERYBOT Edge, which uses 2 pads. EVERYBOT Three-Spin provides 2 different sets of mopping pads. One set is green color microfiber mopping pads, which are for sweeping off debris, picking up hairs, and scrubbing stains. The other is grey colored mother yarn, whose function is for polishing and wiping the floor, absorbing water off the floor. Each mop is controlled by its powerful motor. The EVERYBOT designers use smart microchips and 11 precision smart sensors in this robot vacuum cleaner. It can't fall or damage as it's equipped with smart cliff detection anti-drop sensors that prevent it from falling and breaking. The bot is installed with smart sensors that will detect obstacles when it comes closer to them, preventing them from colliding with your furniture, walls, or even you or your pets. So one can easily use it without any tension or damage from these mopping vacuum cleaners. You can get the best features like a remote control in these best mopping robots. When you'll use it, you can change cleaning modes and control it through just a remote. This product provides you with 7 cleaning modes to satisfy your exact cleaning needs. There are a total of 7 cleaning modes that you can change at any time via the remote control. The 7 modes are designed for adding personalization to your cleaning rituals. These cleaning modes are manual, intensive, Y-pattern, edge-to-edge, auto, focus cleaning, and a 50-minute swift cleaning mode. It doesn't scratch your home floor as it does not have wheels. In this mop, one can get Humanlike mopping technology. You have to know that mopping is not just a sweep. It needs to scrape the floor with its body weight just like a human can do. It cleans the floor with 4.4 pounds pressure created by its weight and rapidly spinning protruded mop in continuous motion. What's more, the extension of 3 mop pads cleans edges and corners thoroughly. The SlimBot's 9.9 cm design enables it to go under couches, beds, and other furniture to clean your floors without any trouble, even places you can't see. EVERYBOT Three-Spin has a 300 ml water storage tank which will automatically supply enough moisture to each mop throughout cleaning time. The bot is equipped with a water pump for electronic control so that the mop does not get dry while cleaning and the user can control the water level. With a high-capacity 2150 mAh lithium-ion battery and 300 ml large-capacity automatic water tank, this smart mop optimizes energy efficiency and ensures that can clean a 1500 square feet area of over 120 minutes on a single charge. The EVERYBOT Three-Spin saves space as it has a space-optimized vertical charging cradle. You won't have to touch the mops to put it in its charging space since it has a safe handle grip. With this mop, you can get an efficient cleaning process. The Bot floor cleaner will clean your floor deeply and every corner of your home. It has the power to direct the dirt, dust, and even your pet hairs. So friends, skip the bucket and the backbending labor and let these EVERYBOT 3-spin specialized robots scour the stains from your hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, linoleum, and other solid surface flooring.